Last year you made a comment on the cultural trend of selfies. You said, I'm so ready for the word to be taken out of our vernacular. 2 years ago it didn't exist. Now it seems the only way people to reference a photo of themselves. It's so bizarre. Why is it popular?
Well, I think partly why it's popular is because we live in the digital age, and when a phrase is coined or a new definition is coined, it tends to spread like wildfire, and it gets adopted very quickly. Yeah, I find it an irritating word. Before you would just say, it was a self-portrait, and now it's this sort of selfie thing. But it's become so ubiquitous that people are confusing it for any photo. I've had people ask me for a photo where someone else is taking the photo with them, and they're saying, can I have a selfie? So they're actually misinterpreting what it means. And now there's this thing where people are buying selfie sticks.
Selfie sticks?
Yeah, so
what does that do?
It's a selfie stick so that you can put your phone on the end of a stick to take the best possible selfie. So your arm can only extend so far. It's ridiculous.
Short for selfish.
Yeah. It's also, it showcases that people are very self-involved. I mean, if you look at a lot of people's Instagram feeds, it's a lot of photos of themselves rather than capturing the world around them. Yeah.
Now, speaking of selfish, how about selfless? You went down to Chile after the earthquake?
I did, yeah.
To do what?
To visit some of the towns that had been affected and to sort of see what had been done and how much damage had been done, and to spend time with the people there. I'd had a prior relationship with a museum there in Chile, so that sort of was how I was invited to come down.
Hey guys, Larry here. Thanks for watching me. Be sure to check out some of my other favorite Larry King Now moments right here, and tune in to new episodes Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays on demand on Ora TV and Hulu.